Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you back here at the QA Online Academy for Episode 4. I'm Rachel, and I hope you're feeling excited to keep growing your SQL skills. Consistency is key to mastering data. In our previous lessons, we learned how to select entire tables and retrieve unique values. But as you know, in the real world of testing, you are often dealing with millions of rows. Today, we're mastering the WHERE clause, arguably the most important filtering tool in your toolkit. Think of it like a precision search engine for your database. Instead of scrolling through everything, you're defining a specific rule to find exactly what you need. Simply put, the WHERE clause is used to filter records. It extracts only those rows that fulfill a specific condition you define. This is how you verify specific test cases in the backend. The syntax is simple. After the table name, add WHERE and then your condition. For text values, like the country Mexico, remember to use single quotes. This tells the database to ignore everything else and spotlight only Mexico. As you can see here, we write select asterisk from customers, where country equals Mexico in single quotes. This retrieves only the relevant records for your test. Now, filtering for numbers, like prices over $50, is a bit different. You don't need those single quotes. You just use standard mathematical symbols. This allows you to verify business logic, like making sure your application is filtering out expensive items correctly. This level of detail is what separates a good tester from a great one. You're verifying the source of truth, ensuring the front end matches the actual data. Now it's time for you to practice. Please open PyCharm on your computer. In this example, we have select asterisk from products where price is greater than 50. Note the lack of quotes for the number 50. Simple and accurate. Imagine our products table. Write a query to find the names of all products that belong to the electronics category. Think carefully about where the quotes go. I'll give you 10 seconds to solve it in PyCharm on your own computer. Ready? Go. Time's up. Did you manage to solve it? Did you remember the WHERE clause and those single quotes for the text? Let's check the clean, professional solution together on the screen. The correct logic is select name from products, where category equals electronics in single quotes, ending with a semicolon. This is exactly how you'd verify your backend results. Great job today. Don't stop here. I want you to go back to previous chapters if you need a refresher and practice these filters at home. The more you write, the more natural it becomes. I'll see you in the next chapter, titled The Order by Statement, where we'll learn to sort our data results. Please join our website and subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok channels to stay updated. Leave your feedback below. We love hearing from you. Happy testing!